Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is Princess Fashion. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to use the Google Lens application to up your game as a fashion designer. While Google Lens is not made specifically for fashion designers, we can actually use it to our advantage. And in short, Google Lens is really underrated when it comes to its use for fashion designers. I'll be guiding you through the use of Google Lens for fashion business in this video. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Imagine your client has sent you this picture as inspiration, either to recreate the style or to create your own style from this inspiration. But there are obviously two problems with this picture. The first one is that the picture is not clear. It's blurry, and that's because it was screenshot. So you could not get the details, all the details of this picture. And the second one is that the picture is just concentrating on one angle. This is just a picture, you can only see the front. You may not really understand the details that goes on the side and even the back of the design. So that will make it difficult for you to know all the details of this picture. And that's where Google Lens comes in. If you don't have the application downloaded already on your phone, I think now is the time for you to go to Google Play Store or App Store to get it downloaded. And let's see how we can use it to get a clearer picture of this. I already have Google Lens downloaded on my phone, so I'll just go to it and open it. This is how the interface looks like. So I select the picture I want to search for. Once I click on it, Google Lens gets to work by searching for the related pictures. These are the search results. I'll just go ahead and pick the closely related one. Do you notice that this picture also comes with the back view? So now we are getting more into the details. You don't have to guess what the back looks like. But then I still feel like I can get more details to this. So here I am looking for more details than just the front and the back view. And then since the picture led me to Pinterest, I can get other related pictures for this. And there you have it. Do you see that it comes with a video? Yes, the first picture in related pictures there. That's a video of this particular dress we are looking for. And do you see how the back looks like? You see the structure on it. So with Google Lens, you no longer have to guess the details on your inspiration. You just get to see it and know if you are working with it. I will also want to demonstrate one more inspiration to see how Google Lens can help us get design details on inspiration. Here is a picture of this dress. A designer might have these questions. Does this net or the net mesh on this, does it get to the back or is it just in front? What type of stone is used as embellishment on the dress? Where does the flounce on it, where does it stop? All these are questions that you cannot see just from the picture. But let's see how the Google Lens can help us get the answers. So here I am as usual. I've signed up to Google Lens and upload the picture to Google Lens. And here are different options. But the first one is the one that matches it the most. And it's originally on AliExpress. So here AliExpress is loading. And then we can see the picture where it's coming from originally. Do you notice that it has a video? So this will make it easier for us to work with, so we can get to see all the details on it. Let's wait for the video to load. Fine. So this video is showing us that this dress is not only available in white, but also available in black. And the same details on the white is on the black. So I guess the details of this dress, they are showing it on the black version of the dress, not the white. So it still works. So a zoom in video of this, we can see how the front looks like, how the back looks like. You can see that the peplum did not get to the zip part, neither does the flounce gets to the zip part though. And then from this video, you can also almost feel the texture of the fabric. You can see that this fabric is not just crepe, but it's more of scuba. That's thick, stretchy fabric. So all these details you can not see in just a single picture. And you can also see that the embellishment used on it is more of black and white pearls and not crystal stones. So all these details you can see. Yeah, I'll bet you that you cannot see all these things in just a single picture. So Google Lens has saved us stress of guessing details, guessing styles. We just get to know what we are into. I'd love to know how these tips has been of help to you. Kindly share with me in the comment section. You can also share the result of your Google Lens search with me on my Facebook page. I will link it below. I hope you have found this video helpful. Kindly like, comment, and also share to other fashion designers so they can also benefit from it. And also subscribe to this channel so you keep getting tips and tricks on how to make your fashion business better. And until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah and this is Princess Fashion.